And this is the view. How beautiful. Spacious skies. Today we about to do a room tour of the LINQ Hotel and Casino. So I'm in District 1, 7th floor, room 7031. Alright, this one I upgraded for 20 bucks for a luxury suite. So not a suite, a luxury room. And so it has a king bed, and what makes it luxury is it's a little bigger. And it comes with a couch, apparently. Check it out. Oh, and you see this refrigerator? I had to ask for it. You can go up to the front desk and ask for a refrigerator if it's not in there already. Cause I'm all about that all-inclusive summer package, you know what I'm saying? And that includes 2 meals, any Caesars or specific Caesars restaurants, like Gordon Ramsay's burger, etc., etc. And I want to put the leftovers in the fridge so I can eat them like for breakfast or for a midnight snack. So let's start with where we at, the bathroom. What's up? You get this mirror there. You get to look at your pores and how ugly you're looking. Nah, I'll just play. I don't even know you. You're probably beautiful. You're probably beautiful. Alright, so soap, hand wash, and lotion. Alright, tissue paper, toilet paper, dryer, towels, shower. Check it out. Two-tone. And there's the shampoo and the body wash. Some pretty good suction, I'd say. Pretty good suction. Let's see how the faucet goes. Okay, a little weak. That's a little stronger. I guess they're the same. And there's a TV right here, but there ain't no remote control. Yeah, I don't know how to turn that on. And here is the air conditioning. You see the air conditioning right here? And what's cool is that this is basically a remote control, because it's not central air. There's a little air conditioning machine right here. You can also mess with the settings right here. This is the trash can and television. So basically it's just stuck on this screensaver. You can connect your HDMI to the back of this TV, Fire TV, Apple TV, whatever you want. So this is the room. Okay, and then we open this cabinet and we have hangers, iron, we got a safe right here, and some drawers. I brought this pillow from home, and then there's my sleep apnea machine. I guess we don't need to see that, maybe I'll cut that out. So review time. TVs don't work. That's a thumbs down. The lighting is kind of dark. If we go outside, someone left cups here, glass cups. Oh, and here's a little study desk. You get this chair, and then it kind of obstructs the whole place, but you know, whatever. And then you can chill here if you got a buddy. A buddy could sleep on the couch, you know what I mean? And you sleep on the bed, or you both could sleep on the bed. No funny business. And that's it. That's this beautiful place right here. You know what I mean? Room 7031. Remember, you can ask for a fridge if you need a fridge. Gotta go to the front desk. Shit, I should ask for a microwave maybe. I don't know.